Have you enjoyed your time at the Bear County Jail? Have the inmates been nice to you, or have they been looking at you some sort of way?
21-year-old Raymond Amaya was already on thin ice, serving probation for a violent aggravated robbery. But instead of staying clean, he got caught behind the wheel intoxicated with a child in the vehicle. He walked into court expecting a simple plea deal, but the judge is about to remind him that he's one mistake away from a life sentence.
To revoke, court is calling 2022 CR 2566, State of Texas versus Raymond Amaya. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Darragh, Your Honor.
Defense?
Ron Zimmerman for Mr. Amaya.
All right, Mr. Amaya, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision? And
Yes, Your
state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Raymond Amaya who was placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of aggravated robbery on June 23rd, 2022 for a period of 7 years?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number one on or about the 17th day of September 2023 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Raymond Amaya committed the offense of driving while intoxicated in violation of condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Now, I won't waive the remaining violated condition.
No
Any
objection,
objection?
Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to deny the motion, continue with him on this deferred adjudication. And amend the conditions to include safety and a 2-year Texas driver's license.
All right, is that the proposed agreement?
That is the proposed agreement, Your Honor.
How old are you?
21, Your Honor.
21. You need to stop doing foolish things. Do you want to go to prison? Have you enjoyed your time at the Bear County Jail? Have the inmates been nice to you, or have they been looking at you some sort of way?
It's not a nice place.
No, it's not. People see you as new. Don't end up going to prison and thinking because you're young that people are going to treat you any kind of different, any different way. You understand? All right, the court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include safety, and he's to remain in custody until transfer. Two-year driver's license suspension. And there should be no driving until further notice from the court. Is there anything else with regards to that cause number, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to go on the record in 2024 CR 0840. Counsel, have you received all the discovery?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Just one moment. And the previous case, could I see the previous case on Mr. Amaya, please? All right. Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated with a child in the vehicle under 15?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he had. Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Mr. Amaya, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 80 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244, and there's a 2-year driver's license suspension and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is the plea, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal?
Record, quiet, please.
All right, so just one moment. Off the record. So all of the attorneys who are rushing in here at the 9th hour, you can rush in here at the 9th hour, but guess what? We're recessing at noon and we're on the record, so everyone needs to whisper. All right, excuse me, where did I leave off? All right, did you understand by signing that paragraph, you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting witnesses in the form of, presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 80 days in the Bear County Jail under 1224. There's a 2-year driver's license suspension. The court will find that the judgment is satisfied so that you may quickly go to safety. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to go back on the record. And 2022 CR 2566. All right, Ms. Abrams, on this, the only addition I'm going to add for him is I'm going to want full GPS upon release from safety. And they can do that through the jail so that the GPS fees will be waived. All right, and under that case, is there anything else do you need from the court to be successful?
Your Honor. This chance is more than plenty.
All right, do not come back here for this nonsense. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not allowed to drink alcohol while you're on probation. And do you have a place, an appropriate place to stay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and we're off the record. Counsel, I know that felony drug court normally will not accept him, but probably if you speak to them and let them know what his age is, they may make an exception for him.
I'll speak to felony.
All right, and probation, we'll add a referral to felony drug court on that as well. All right. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Raymond Amaya narrowly escaped a life sentence today, receiving 80 days in jail and strict GPS monitoring. But with his driver's license suspended and a new felony on his record, his road to redemption is steeper than ever. Should a 21-year-old get a second chance after driving drunk with a child, or is the system being too soft? Let us know in the comments.